What up, what up, what up? Doing those hotel breaks, doing them lucky breaks, full or not. No, that's dude. Yeah, it's dude. That's shit. What up, what up, what up?
Lucky bathroom breaks.
Oh man, what a day, what a day. Let me get this stuff organized, guys. And we are going to be a lucky breaking. You know what time it is. You know what time it is? It's our lucky breaks. What up, what up, what up? Holy moly. Throw on the AC, it's hot in here. Coming straight from Dallas, Texas. Oh, look at the ball now.
It's lit up. Yeah, it's dope. Fucking Houston's dope. I mean, Dallas is dope.
You guys want to see what I'm talking about? It's that ball over there. That ball. Okay. What up, what up, what up? I had to go a little bit late because I went to the Texas Rangers game. So we're going to get this thing started, guys. We'll give it a minute. We're doing those hotel breaks. Let me get everything set up. Holy cow, we got Series 2. We got the Platinum Anniversary. I was excited about this break. So hopefully you guys are just as excited as I am. And we're going to get going, guys. Thank you for your patience. But I had to see a Rangers game. I mean, technically I didn't have to, but I really, really, really wanted to. And I'm glad I did. Rangers has a beautiful stadium. Anyone see it before? Let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are. It was my first Rangers game. And it was a pleasant one. They won. They beat the Lonely Angels. And it was kind of bittersweet because I'm going for Seattle. I shouldn't be rooting for the Rangers. But I got to show you guys my outfit today because today I was a Rangers fan, okay? So, kill me, shoot me, whatever you got to do. But I was a Rangers fan today. But don't tell anybody else because you're a Seattle Mariners fan. You can't be a Rangers fan. Especially now when they're so close. What the hell? But, as you guys probably know, I'm a baseball fan. So we'll get everything set up, guys. On our way to the National Sports Collectors Convention. 12 left. We're going to reduce them, guys. Every minute, I think we're going to do every minute. So you know how we do it. We do it full or not. If you haven't been in the breaks before, welcome in. And if you have, welcome back. Breaking every night. We're doing it one a night now because I'm on the road. And it just, that too. Maybe they'll do it every 30 seconds. Whatever it is, pay attention to the reductions because once they are gone, they are gone. Okay? 11 left. We just reduced it again, guys. Remember, it is first come, first served. As we go into this reduction portal and they start reducing every 30 seconds or a minute, it can get a little hectic. And it will be first come, first served. So don't wait too long. If you're seeing a team you like, just get it. That's one of the worst things I hate hearing is someone crying that they missed their team and they show me their screenshot and I show them mine and then they say, don't let it come to that, guys. Just get your team. What are you going to save? $1? If you haven't been in our breaks before, welcome to Lucky Breaks, home of the full or not breaks, Monday through Saturday. Sundays we're off, and we do these auctions every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It looks like tomorrow we'll be back on with the auction. We'll be in Albuquerque, New Mexico tomorrow night. We're going to be driving about 9.5, 10 hours. Tomorrow will be a full day of driving. After that, we're going to go to the Grand Canyon, Hoover Dam, Las Vegas, Southern California to Northern California. Picked up Jim and Tanya. Take those. They're going to take us to Chicago. I guess we're all going along, but we're going to have Jim play tour guide, okay? Anniversary, let's go! Platinum. You know what time it is. Inspired by the 1955 design, so we're going to take a walk back in time. We're going to have 2 boxes of these. Now, we're reducing every 30 seconds, I believe, so it will be first come, first served. I know some of you guys are probably waiting for your team to get to a price you're thinking about, but just get them now. If they ever do get 50% off, they will be taken. We can't go that low. We could go low, but then it just becomes stupid low. We'll get everything all set up for us, guys. And we will get going, guys. There's 8 left, and we just reduced it again. I cannot believe it. You guys are a tough crowd. You guys are a really tough crowd. But I like it. Topps Chrome coming out soon. That's what I heard. Colombia lost today in soccer, the World Cup. Mexico lost the other day. What the hell's going on? USA lost. Jeepers. 7 left, guys. And I think we just reduced it again. What the hell? I got Aaron over here asking if he can get some teams. He's pointing at them saying, hey, I want this, I want that. Guys, no, well, they're going to go to you guys first come, first serve. Should be a pretty cool break. I've been seeing these. This is where we hit that Paul Skeens to 5. So if it's anything like that, it's cheddar, cheddar, cheddar. Big cheddar. You know what that big cheddar is. It's that big cheddar, cheddar. Six left, guys. That means we just reduced again. Holy cow. You guys are a tough crowd. 6 teams left, guys. 0-6. First come, first serve. Come on now. Come on now. Two boxes of Inception. We will do the Inception last. Five left. 5 left, and I think we're reducing every 30 seconds. So, guys, when they're gone, they're gone. We are on break 69.73. 69.73. 6 boxer, guys. It will be first come, first served. Don't be sleeping at the wheel, guys. I don't want to be telling someone, nope, you missed that team. I don't want to be that guy. Of course, you guys are going to make me be that guy because you're going to wait. You're going to wait, and you're going to miss the team that you wanted. And then I got to tell you, nope, you didn't get the team. But I wish it wasn't like that, guys. Go get the team. There's only 6 left. 4 left, guys. There's only 4 teams left. You know what that means? That means it's going, going, gone. Going, going, gone. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hurry up. Let's get those teams so we can get rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. That's first come, first serve, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 4 left. Holy cow, just reduced again. I can't do this, guys. Oh, man, you guys are killing me. Oh, 4 left. Give me those 4, man. Jeepers. Okay, guys. Last call for alcohol. Last call for alcohol. Let's go, man. Let's just go. I gotta go. I can't hold. 3 left, guys. 3 left. Last call for alcohol. Come on. Pablo Lopez. Rob Halsell III. Corey Lee. Actually, I'm going to go like this. I'm going to do this right while I'm here. Austin Martin. Uribe. Cassini. Reynolds. Carter Jansen. Rangel, Dustin Pedroia, Trey Savage, Zach Cole, rookie. Okay, I guess I got the A's. It pays to take the A's. 1 left. Jackson Morrell, our relic for the Slam Diego Padres. Samuel Basallo, rookie. Josh Simpson, rookie. Silver foil me up, Cam Sanders for the Pittsburgh Pirates. To 2026 Pagorio for the San Francisco Giants. Cam Sanders, Chicago White Sox. Alex Gordon. Bryce Eldridge, rookie. KB. Petey Halpin. Rollin', Scott Rollin'. Silver foil, Matty Chat for the Giants. Hey, Song Kim. Max Muncy. All smiles for the Reds. Mookie, yeah, you bet. Sajasi. Belting Bros for the Seattle Mariners. Ferris. Early, CC, Corbin Carroll for the Serpentines. Flores. Petey Halpin. Brooks on the General Lee. Bryce Eldridge, rook again. Lawson. Roberto Clemente. Baltimore Orioles team card. More Wyatt Langford, Pittsburgh Pirates team card. Pintaro. Trey burning and turning. Miami Marlins team card. Cornell. A little Jack. Winker. DJ. 216 hits for the Yanks. The Louder for the Guardians. Bell rookie. Silver foil. Ooh. Flaherty is gold foiled and it's numbered to $3.99. A little Motown action. Take me north. A little Motown. Simpson. Freddie Freeman. Nunez. Adele Amador on the Future Stars. Silver foil. Ooh, green foil. Sal Frelick for the Milwaukee Brewers. Don't be a hater. Johnny, get off the bench and rack it. Sal Frelick for the Milwaukee Brewers. Box number 2. Let's go. Ferris. Winkler. Greg Maddux. Akamoto. Petey Halpin. And Relic Me Up. A lot of relics on this Series 1 hobby. Cal Ripken Jr. Miguel Blyce. Bryce Eldridge Rook. Bell. Pintaro. Bo Bichette. Nick York. Ian Happ for the Cubbies. Silver foil. More silver. Ooh, Yordy for the gold. To $3.99.99. $3.99.99.99. Max Muncy on the Future Stars. Rangel. Tatis. Pajes. George Kirby. Justin Dean rookie. Francisco Lindor for the New York Mets. Harry Ford for the Nationals. Chase DeLauder rookie. Nunez. Darnell. Cade Horton. Silver foil, Future Stars Ballesteros for the Cubbies. Cam Smith on the Future Stars. Simpson rookie. And Kevin Alcantara on the Future Stars. Yordan Alvarez for the Houston Astros. Ooh, Spencer T. These are not too common. Team border. Detroit Tigers border. Schwarber. Treya Savage. Belting Bros for the Seattle Mariners. Sammy Sosa on the All-Star. Nunez. Logan Henderson on the Future Stars. Little rookie. Nolan Arenado. Drake Baldwin. Cornell rookie. Mason Win-Win, Let It Begin. All Smiles. Ramirez for the Guardians. Future Star Cuero. DeLauder Rook. Future Stars. Kata Dana. Bryce Eldridge rookie. Fall Fling. Gregorio. Max Muncy Future Stars. Valera. Sproat rookie. And Roman Anthony. Future Stars Sajasi. Lyle on the Future Stars. Waldrop, Hurston Waldrop for the Hotlanta Braves on the Future Star. Carter Jensen for the Royals. Adele Amador on the Future Stars. And Schwarbs, 132 RBIs action. Christian Yelich. Zach Cole rookie. And that's box number 2 in the books. Now, are we ready for some heat, guys? Are we ready for some heat? I think we are. Jason Giambi. Remember that guy? Brooks on the General Lee. Holy Yuki Matsui. Slam Diego Padres. That didn't take us too long to get some cheddar in the books. That didn't take too long at all. A little cheddar. Brenton Doyle. Gagallara. Remember that guy? Harrington. Rocket, Roger Clemens. And Aurelvis Martinez to 99. We'll take it up north. For the Blue Jays. Relic Donald DB, Jason Dominguez, Valdez, Garrett Cole, Cliff Lee, Sonny Gray, Zach Gallen, Meadroth rookie, Willie Stargell, Ryan Howard, Paul Merrill, Max Muncy rookie, Paul O'Neill, Robin Yount, Robleski, and the Hank Aaron. That's pretty sick. And Toglia. Toglia to 5-0. And I like this Henry Aaron. Trevor, tell me a story. Suarez, Babe Ruth, Daniel Robert, Hogland, Lindor, Greg Maddux, Suzuki, Diaz, Matt Shaw, Let It Thaw, Zach DeZenzo, Felix Hernandez, Carlos Carrera, Elko on the Diamond Cut rookie, Roger Maris, Callahan rookie, Vladdy, Poppy, nice little cool looking hit, Leo Jimenez to 499.99.99, Jacob Wilson rookie, Matthews, Acuna, and Ryan Hensley. To 499.99.99. And Elko on the Diamond Cut. Chase Petty rookie. Hayden Birdsong rookie. Stephen Kwan. Juan Marichal. Luis Gil. Dennis Eckersley. Bregman. Logan Evans. Tyler O'Neill. Christopher Morel. Christian Yelich. Yordan Alvarez, Tawa, Jenkins, Graceffo, Lugo, Matthew Lugo for the Halos, Reggie Jackson, Pedro Martinez, Verlander, Murray, Hunter Green, Ken Griffey Jr., Gil Hodges, Buster Posey, and Lou Gehrig, and Ryan McMahon to 100 for the New York Yankees. Silver packs, let's see what we get. Come on. Bryce Harper, George Brett, Austin Riley, and Sal Stewart rookie for the Cincinnati Reds. Pack number 2. Gunnar Henderson, Paul Skin Singh, Marseille rookie, and Jack Coglione rookie. Cogs. Jacob Marcy rookie. Ian Happ, Vladdy, Luis Angel Acuna, Drysdale, Cam Smith rookie, and Luis Tyant to 250 for the Boston Red Sox. Take me back. How far back? Too far back. That's how back. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Cal Ripken Jr., Leo Jimenez, DeGrom, Jacob DeGrom, he was pitching tonight. And a City Connect, Christian Yelich. For the Milwaukee Brewers, a little brewski action. Volpe. And a Zebby Matthews for the Minnesota Twinkies. Zebby Matthews for the Minnesota Twinkies on the auto. Evan Longoria on the Diamond Cat. Mookie, yeah, you bet. And an Ozzie Smith. Scoobs. Screwball to 100. Cal Raleigh, little big dumper. Schwarzer. Luis Contreras. Durbin, rookie. Robert Hassell. Zach Whelan and dealer. Brooks Baldwin. Messina. Max Fried. Brian Buxton. Andre Dawson. George Kirby. Duke Ellis, rookie. Bias. Munson. Gil Hodges. Tommy Edman to $4.99 for the Dodgers. Garcia. Dalton Varsho. Bellozo. Cole Reagans. Alec Bohm. Aaron, you be the judge. Chase Dolander, Spawn, Mason Miller, and Dalton Rushing for the Dodgers. Frazier, Carlton Fisk, Peterson, Will Wagner, rookie. Christian Campbell, rookie. Yastrzemski, DJ. Pudge Rodriguez, Tyler Locklear, rookie. Swanson, Arias. Isn't that guy just hit like it's nothing? Rafael Devers, Burleson, Crime Dog, A-Rod, Brooks Robinson, and a Clayton Kershaw to $199 for the L.A. Dodgers. A little Dodgers action. I would say it, but it gets old like this. Okay, guys, good night, everyone. Have a great night. Thank you for getting in the breaks. We will see you guys tomorrow. No, I can't do that. We did that the other night. I don't want to do it every night. I'm just playing with you guys. Let me get organized here, and we will start the big cheddar. Thank you guys for getting in the break. I appreciate it. And have fun. This is the funnest part of my night, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it as much, or at least half as much as I do, because I enjoy it. Get to be goofy, play around, talk baseball, have fun. Okay? So let's go. Let's see what we got with Inception. Corey Seager for the Texas Rangers. Austin Riley. Cam Smith, rookie. Yordan Alvarez. And Trey Sweeney for the Detroit Tigers. To $299.99. Trey Sween for the Detroit Tigers. Yu Darv. And number me up, Moise Ballesteros. To $25 for the Cubbies. Luke Cashel, rookie for the Minnesota Twinkies. Hassell for the Nationals. Spencer Schwallenbach. Meisner for the Rays. And Chase Meadroth for the Chicago White Sox. So White Sox and the Tigers hit. Kata Dana for the Halos. And Edgar Cuero to 99 for the White Sox. So White Sox coming in hot twice. To 99. White Sox taking home some Ched. Okay, guys, that's all I got. We will be back on tomorrow. Full or not, we're going to be driving about 10 hours to Albuquerque, New Mexico. And then one of my favorite places, Las Vegas, because we get to go see the Grand Canyon again. And the Hoover Dam. Okay? So everyone have a great night. We will, this time it's for real because I got to get some sleep. I got to get my ass up in the morning, do a light workout, and then head out to Albuquerque. Everyone, thank you for getting in the breaks. And we will be back on tomorrow, okay? Everyone have a great night. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, guys.